Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and a lush forest, there lived a young girl named Elara. Elara was known far and wide for her boundless curiosity and her insatiable love for adventure. Her bright, hazel eyes sparkled with a sense of wonder that drew everyone toward her. One sunny morning, as she strolled through the village square, Elara noticed a peculiar old bookshop, its sign creaking in the breeze. The shop's name was Mystique Pages, and it seemed as if it had appeared overnight, for no one could remember seeing it before. Elara's curiosity got the best of her, and she pushed open the shop's heavy wooden door. Inside, the shop was a treasure trove of mysterious books, each with ornate covers and enigmatic titles. A kind, elderly bookseller named Mr. Thistledown greeted her warmly. He had a twinkle in his eye that mirrored Elara's own sense of wonder. "Welcome, dear Elara," Mr. Thistledown said with a knowing smile. "I have just the book for you." He handed her a dusty volume titled The Enchanted Atlas. Elara eagerly opened the book, and as she flipped through its pages, she realized that it was not an ordinary atlas. It contained maps of fantastical lands filled with mythical creatures, hidden treasures, and secret realms. The maps themselves seemed to come alive, with rivers that shimmered and forests that whispered secrets. With the Enchanted Atlas in hand, Elara embarked on a series of incredible adventures. She visited the Isle of Talking Birds, where colorful parrots recited ancient poetry. She journeyed to the Whispering Woods, where the trees whispered ancient wisdom to those who listened. She even discovered the lost city of Atlantis, hidden beneath the depths of the ocean. Throughout her adventures, Elara learned important lessons about bravery, kindness, and the magic that exists in the world if we are open to seeing it. She made new friends, both human and fantastical, and her hazel eyes shone even brighter with each new experience. Years passed, and Elara became a beloved storyteller in her village, sharing her adventures with eager listeners. She often returned to Mystique Pages to visit Mr. Thistledown, who always had a new, mysterious book waiting just for her. And so, Elara's life was a never-ending fairy tale, filled with wonder, curiosity, and the belief that magic could be found in the most unexpected places. And it all began with a dusty old bookshop and the Enchanted Atlas. And they all lived happily ever after.